Hello, everybody. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies, and we're down here in the layout, and we now have not quite finished, but far along the way, a restoration of the Stewart diesel, which is some sort of SD 40 or 50 or 70, whatever it is. Now, as you can see, there are two new side frames. They are temporary. They're Athearn, they're wonderful, they're slightly too big, but I can make them work. The problem is they're engineering plastic, and cyanoacrylic glue kind of works, but not great. And they're just have very small attachment points. I happen to have super tiny brass screws. I mean super tiny, like bolts. You'd have to see them to believe how small they are. Maybe a quarter of an inch long and a 32nd of an inch in diameter, very small. I'm gonna have to use those to bolt those on the sides. But we've had some problems because the main drive axles, I don't know if they're original or not, but putting on those the balls with the ears that spin. I like using ears better as a terminology. They were slightly off, and that was interfering with the front and back play, if you will. Front and back of the swing of the trucks, and that was making it too tight on the motor. Let's see if she runs. That's not really bad. It doesn't sound perfect, but it doesn't sound terrible either. I mean, not every locomotive is going to be, perfect. That does sound like she derailed, and she might have. I can't see, but these trucks are a little off. Definitely a little bit off. But I mean, it's the side frame, I think, that's doing it. No way this makes it around the whole